In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently sort data in Google Sheets from A to Z. Whether you're managing a large dataset or just organizing a small table of information, sorting your data will help make your workflow more structured and make finding information faster and easier. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Sheets and navigate to the document with the data you want to organize. If you haven't created a document yet, you can start with a fresh, new spreadsheet by going to Google Sheets from your Google Drive and clicking on the plus icon to create a new sheet. Once you're in your document, take a look at the dataset to identify which column you'll be sorting. It's important to decide beforehand, as this will help maintain the integrity and coherence of your data. Once you've identified the specific column, click on the cell at the top of that column to highlight it. This will indicate to Google Sheets which data you want to sort. If your data includes headers, make sure your selection starts with the header. This tells Google Sheets not to include the header while sorting the data, preserving your column titles for easier reference. Next, move your cursor to the menu at the top and click on Data. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options. The one you want to select is Sort Sheet by Column, your column letter or phrase, A to Z. By choosing this option, you're instructing Google Sheets to automatically rearrange the rows based on the values in the specified column, organizing them in ascending order. It's worth noting that if you have any blank cells or cells with special characters, they might alter the sort result, often appearing at the bottom or top of your sorted data. Consider addressing these anomalies beforehand for an optimal sort. If your data has intricate relationships, such as formulas relying on other cells, ensure that sorting doesn't disrupt these connections. Now let's explore an additional tip. For multi-level sorting, where you might want to sort by multiple columns, you'd prefer the Sort Range option under the same Data menu. This feature allows you to sort first by one column, then by another, adding a deeper level of organization to complex datasets. After sorting, take a moment to review your data to confirm everything is properly organized. Ensure that each row maintained its integrity and that there is a logical sequence to the values listed, whether they're numbers, dates, or text. Seeking this clarity not only saves time during future tasks, but also prevents potential errors in data analysis or reporting. And there you have it, a simple method to sort cells alphabetically from A to Z in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you'll enhance your ability to present and identify information quickly, leading to a more efficient workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go over these steps again on your own dataset. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your skills in Google Sheets.